Once upon a time in a magical forest, there was a friendly hamster named Arlo. Arlo had a shiny fur coat that sparkled in the sunlight, and his ears wiggled with happiness as he went about his day. Every day, Arlo enjoyed doing exercises and working out to stay healthy and strong. He lifted a tiny barbell with his paws and did pull-ups on the horizontal bar in his own special gym. He also loved skateboarding. During his breaks, Arlo would sip on tea with honey and snack on nuts while sitting on the beautiful forest meadow. For lunch, he preferred to eat an apple and other fruits, such as bananas, oranges, and mangoes. Arlo worked all day, collecting mushrooms and nuts, and then cooked himself dinner in a frying pan. His days were full of exciting outdoor activities, including watching TV with his forest friends in a cinema they built together. Arlo was a very inquisitive and smart hamster, and therefore loved to read interesting books. He also loved to lie in his soft crib and dream. He dreamed of adventures and exploring the world beyond his forest home. He knew that he was born for a great mission. One day, I will find good friends and travel with them to other countries and even go into space, the hamster told himself every night before going to bed.